Magandang araw, ako nga pala si Jomel Serrano. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang 12 occupational health and safety. Yan. Ang una, do not work alone so that there's someone who can take care of you in case of emergency. Ang pangalawa naman ay always power off the computer and unplug the computer before working on it. Ang pangatlo, take away any liquid near your working area to avoid getting electrocuted or accidentally damaging computer parts. Number 4, be careful with tools that may cause short circuit. Number 5, always ground or discharge yourself before touching any part of the computer. Ang 6, do not use excessive force if anything don't quite slip into place. 7, clean the area before and after using it to maintain sanitation and prevent accidents. 8, all the components on the edges and do not touch the integrated circuit parts. Number 10, always wear personal protective equipment in accordance with the organization's OHS procedures and practices. 10, make sure that pins are properly aligned when connecting a cable connector. Number 11, contingency measures during workplace accidents, fire, and other emergencies are recognized. Number 12, use brush, compressed air, or blower in cleaning the computer system. Yan na lahat yung 12 occupational health safety. Yan na yung lahat. Thank you.